Overstuffed taco with burnt cheese on the outside. Starting with some grass-fed beef here. Got it on the flat top grill, getting it cooked out to the desired temperature that everyone would want. Got that enameled cast iron pan there I'm going to transfer everything over to. I'm talking over this because I had epic failure with my mic. I'm truly not a responsible functioning adult. Cholula seasoning. I use 3 packs for 4 pounds of meat. I like it. It's a little too spicy for me. 1 pack per pound like it calls for in my daughter. There's a cup of water. Some bone broth. That's some bone broth concentrate. And I love adding it. I love the taste and everything it brings to any kind of meat I use. Follow the recipe in the comments. Stick of grass-fed butter. Anytime I'm using grass-fed meat, it's just like using wild game. The taste always comes from the fat, in my opinion. So I introduce the fat back in through some grass-fed butter. I let that melt in, get it stirred in real good. It won't disappoint. There we go. Put the cheese down, get it frying off so it's good and crispy. Put an irresponsible amount of cheese on it. Trust me, that's going to help seal in the overstuff. I got a little excited in this, overstuffed it a bit too much for the cheese to actually seal it, but you'll get the point. These are the Dorito shells, the nacho cheese Dorito type shells. I'm using Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Anytime I use Greek or Bulgarian yogurt, I'm going to. And I like, instead of layering it all in so you have different layers with different bites, I like doing it like this so every bite has every single flavor in it. Just my personal preference. There's no right or wrong way to load a taco shell. Get it in there. That's all you can do. There's the Mexican street corn. I got a little sloppy with it. I'll pay the price for that here in a minute. Oh yeah. Burnt cheese right on the outside. There I'm trying to seal everything in. If I hadn't gotten so a little overexcited stuffing it, it would have sealed better. It is what it is. Yeah, that didn't work. Here we go. Oh, that made such a good sound too. Stupid mic. Here I'm explaining something really important, probably about sealing the outsides with the edge of the cheese. I don't know. I'm a little bit slow, so it is what it is. I do the best I can. Oh yeah, melted cheese. Nom nom nom. Stupid mic. It's all dripping out like it's supposed to. All sealed in, none of the ingredients fell out. Tasted really good. Wish you could have seen it in real time.